In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add effects in DaVinci Resolve. Adding effects is real easy. For that, all we have to do, just open the effects panel. Under it, go to effects section and you'll see different types of effects here. Now before we add any effect, we need to click on these three dots and ensure that hover scrub preview is checked, so that if you go from left to right on any of the effect, then we can see the preview without applying the effect. So we just have to go from left to right, or you can just hover over any of the effect and you can see the preview here. Now let's say I want to add a outline stroke for this image. Then for that I need to go to effects panel and under it I need to drag and drop this outer stroke effect and apply it on your clip like this. Now to adjust the settings for this effect, we need to open the inspector panel. Under it, go to effects tab and you will see all of the adjustment you have for this particular effect. Now let's say I want to change the border width. Then for that I can just adjust that from here. If you want to change the border edge, then select that from here. So let's go with circle one, and now to change the color I can just select the color from here like so. So basically you can customize all of the things inside this effects tab while going into inspector panel, and similarly you can drag and drop any of the effect from here onto your clip. Now let's say I want to copy this effect from this image to this one. Then for that we need to select the image from where we want to copy an effect and then hit Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy that effect. Now select the clip where you want to paste that effect like this and then hit Alt plus V on your keyboard and then it will open this window. From here checkmark the options which you want to paste on this image. I just want to paste my fusion effects, that's why I'm gonna uncheck these options from here and then hit apply, and there you go, a border has been added for this image without manually applying any effect. Now let's say you want to add an adjustment clip. Then for that go to the effects panel. Under it we need to drag and drop this adjustment clip effect and place it onto your timeline like this. Now all the clips which are below this adjustment clip will have all the effects which we apply on this adjustment clip. So let's say I add a binoculars effect here, then the binoculars effect will be added on this image automatically. If you want to duplicate this adjustment clip, then for that hold Alt key on your keyboard and duplicate it like this, and then the effect will be here too. But if I go here, you can see there is no adjustment clip here, that's why the binoculars effect is not here. If you want to delete any of the effect, then for that select the clip where you have added any effect, then go to the inspector panel. Under it go to effects tab and tap on this trash can icon and the effect will be deleted. If I change the zoom value here, then the zoom will be added on my image too, because it is below the adjustment clip like this. So this is the complete process of adding different types of effects in DaVinci Resolve. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.